Everyone says AI will replace managers, but that is wrong. In reality, it will expose the bad ones. In this video, I will show you why AI doesn't replace managers, it will redefine what management is. And why does it matter? Because 82% of employees says that they are leaving bad managers, not companies. And after leading global projects for the past 10 years in several industries and also managing people from over 17 different countries, I've seen my fair share of bad and weak managers who was exposed because of technology or other things. But here's the surprising part. The research shows that actually there's 8 key behaviors of good managers who can survive the AI era. So let's get started. A common discussion today is that AI will replace jobs. This is absolutely wrong. AI will help us free up our admin work. McKinsey found in a study that 40% of managerial tasks can be automated. Okay, so this is our chance to automate the tasks, free up our time, and elevate leadership. We will have more time for coaching, we will have more time to develop our people, we will have more time to improve ourselves in terms of emotional intelligence, or coaching, or one-on-ones, or giving feedback. But if AI takes away all the admin work, what does it leave for the manager? Let me show you. So AI will divide the managers into 2 groups, the task managers and the actual leaders. Task managers will still focus on doing admin work, chasing KPIs, burning out people, and focusing on the hands-on day-to-day work. But the future leaders will focus on AI and automation to free up time, focus on coaching and leadership, and improving the emotional intelligence and development part of their leadership. But what actually makes a manager thrive? Google did a study called Project Oxygen. They surveyed thousands of managers and they found 8 key behaviors that makes a great manager. Let's see the top 3. So Google found that the top 3 behaviors out of the 8 is number 1, be a good coach. Okay, we talked about this. You have to be a good leader, you have to be a good coach, you have to figure out how to develop people, how to take care of people, how to care about them, and thus improving their development, improving their productivity. And the second one is empower, don't micromanage. You have to understand the playing field. You have to understand what your team does, how responsibilities and tasks are diversified within your team. And you have to empower them, not micromanaging. You don't have to go deep into the work, deep into the task. You don't have to understand everything. You have to understand how your team can perform. And number 3 is create an inclusive environment. Okay, people are coming and going in a team. Maybe they are promoted, maybe they're coming from outside. And you have to make sure that the environment is that your team can take in new members, they can collaborate with other teams, it is an inclusive environment, so you can work together with your team and your team can work together with everyone else. If you want to hear about the rest of the key behaviors, make sure to stay until the end of the video. So AI will behave like an X-ray machine for managers. It will separate the authentic leaders from the bad managers. So as we said, it will expose those who hide behind admin work and daily hands-on tasks and not actually focusing on their team, coaching, leading them, and developing them. A really good way that you can free up your time and do some automations is actually figuring out prompt sets, figuring out ways to develop your team, to make the one-on-ones, the feedback, the delegation, the hard conversations, to make them easier. You have to use AI. You can use prompt sets to make sure that you get the input, you get the summaries, and you get the output that you want from your meetings, from your one-on-ones, from your feedback sessions. As I said, there is 8 key behaviors. I have a separate video on my channel which is called 8 Leadership Secrets Google uses to build thriving teams. Okay, you can check out that video. In that video, I will detail all 8 behaviors, and actually there's 2 extra since then. It is all included in the video. You can check it out. It's going to be the pinned comment in the comment section. So as I said, you can use prompt sets to figure out how to make your job and admin work easier. These are the prompt sets I made. For example, the one-on-one manager prompt, the one-on-one performance and growth review, the weekly short focus, the delegation and leadership coach, the executive coaching for difficult conversations. These are prompt sets that you can get access to. The only thing you have to do is you have to like the video and you have to comment AI in the comment section, and I will share the prompt set with you.